Welcome to Otisam Mathematics. In this video, I'm going to solve questions on application of symmetric function. Question 1. 1 root of the equation 27x squared plus bx plus c plus 8 equal to 0 is known to be the square of the other. Find b. So our main quadratic equation is 27x squared plus bx plus 8 is equal to 0. So let's compare it with the standard equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So our a is 27, our b is still b, our c is equal to 8. So now what is sum of roots? Sum of roots, which is minus b on a, going to be minus b on 27. Product of root is c on a, which is 8 on 27. Now we were told that one root is the square of the other, so let one root be alpha, then the other root will be alpha squared. So from symmetric function, we are going to find the sum of the new roots. Sum of the root. So sum alpha plus alpha squared is equal to minus b on 27. And then product alpha times alpha squared is equal to 8 on 27. So we have alpha times alpha squared is alpha cube, which is equal to 8 on 27. So alpha will be cube root of 8 on 27. So the cube root on 27, 8 on 27 will be cube root of 8 is 2, and then this is 3. Now we have alpha plus alpha squared, which is equal to minus b on 27. So we just substitute this one here, which is 2 on 3 plus 2 on 3 squared, which is equal to minus b on 27. So we have 2 on 3 plus 4, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, equal to minus b on 27. So the LCM is 27. So when you multiply here, this will go here. So we have 18, and then plus 2, 9 will go into 27 3 times, plus 12 is equal to minus b. So we have 30, 18 plus is equal to minus b. B will be equal to minus 30. Let's look at the next one, the next question. Given the equation 4 in bracket x minus 2 all squared is equal to k times x minus 1. The first part, we have to show that the sum of the roots is equal to the product of the roots, and we have to find the values of the constant k, for which the difference between the roots is 3 whole number, 3 on 4. So let's look at the first part. Before that, pause the video and try it. So we have 4 times x minus 2 all squared is equal to k times x minus 1. So let's expand. So 4 times, expanding this, we have x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to kx minus 1. So 4x squared minus 4 times 4x, which is 16x plus 16 is equal to kx minus 1. So let's group the like terms. So 4x squared minus 16x minus kx plus, now this is k plus 16 plus k is equal to 0. So 2x squared minus, can have 16 plus k, x plus 16 plus k is equal to 0. Now we said that sum of roots equal to minus b on a, and then product of roots equal to c on a. So first, what is our a? A is 4, then our b is minus 16 plus k, and then our c is also 16 plus k. So sum of roots becomes minus 16 plus k on 4, which is equal to 16 plus k over 4. Then product of roots be c 16 plus k also on 4. So hence sum of roots is equal to product of root. We are all 16 plus k on 4. This is 16 plus k on 4, and then product of root is 16 plus k on 4. Now the second part, we were told that if the difference of the roots is 3 whole number 3 on 4, we have to find the constant k. To find, okay, so let the roots be alpha and beta. Now we are saying that the difference is 4. So we have alpha minus beta is equal to 3 whole number 3 on 4. Okay. So alpha minus beta will be, that is 15 on 4. So alpha minus beta all squared is equal to 15, squaring both sides, all squared. We are going to have alpha minus beta all squared, so 15 squared is 225, then 4 squared is 16. Now from symmetric function, alpha minus beta all squared is equal to alpha plus beta all squared minus 4 alpha beta. Now this is the sum, and then this is the product. So we have established that alpha sum of root is 16 plus k on 4, and then product of root is also 16 plus k on 4. So we are now going to substitute this in this equation. This implies that 16 plus k on 4 all squared minus 4 times 16 plus k on 4 is equal to 225 on 16. So we can expand. So we have 16 plus k all squared over 16 minus plus k is equal to 225 on 16. So the LCM is 16. Let's multiply through by 16. So we are going to have, so this will cancel, the LCM will cancel out. So 16 plus k all squared minus 16 times 16 plus k is equal to 225, which implies that 16 squared is 256 plus 32k plus k squared minus 256 minus 16k is equal to 225. So 256 minus 256 will go. So you have k squared. So 32k minus 16k is giving us plus 16k, and then minus bringing this one 225 is equal to 0. So going to have the factors will be, so factors of 225, that when we add we are going to get 16, when we multiply we are going to get minus. So we have, that will be 25 minus 9. So k squared minus 9k plus 25k minus 225 is equal to 0. So we have k into bracket k minus 9 plus 25 into bracket k minus 9 is equal to 0. So k minus 9, then k plus 25 is equal to 0, which means that k minus 9 is equal to 0, or k plus 25 is equal to 0. So k will be equal to 9, or k is equal to minus 25. So thank you very much, viewers, for watching this video. If you like this video and you want more, click on the subscribe button.